Cow Eye Dissection by Jesse and Cameron. The fat that's attached to the outside of the eyeball makes sure it does not move around so it does not get bruised. The eyelid here along with the eyelashes help protect the eye from outside elements that might affect it, like dirt or sunlight if it's too bright.
The four muscles that make up the cow's eyes help it look up, down, left, and right, while a human eyeball has 6 muscles surrounding it, so that it can look in all directions without moving its head.
I believe that the sclera is designed for strength to protect the eye along with the muscles on the outside.
The cornea is now a cloudy blue of the eye, which is different from when it was alive, since it was clear when it was alive.
The cornea was designed to be a structural barrier and protect it from infections, and the reason it needs to be clear and have no blood vessels, unlike now, is so that it can refract light properly.
The iris is the colored part of the eye, and the pupil is this dark part in the center of the eye, which in human eyes is usually circular.
The cornea seems to be thicker than I assume it would be compared to a human eye, which makes sense since it is a cow eye. And the reason being is because of the many layers of protection to protect the eye, which seems to be 6 layers of protection. The retina is the sensory layer of the eyeball, which contains rods and cones, which are receptors for the sight. I think that the retina would dry out and not be able to show the pictures that come through the eye if the liquid was not in the eye.
Retina was attached to the optic disc where all the nerves from the retina coverage exit the eye through the optic nerve. The myelin sheath allows electrical impulses to transmit quickly and efficiently along the nerve cells.
The optic nerve takes messages to the brain, which interprets the signal into the projected retina, and the area of the brain responsible for this is the visual cortex. Humans do not have the tapetum in the eye because it lowers the acuity we see in the daylight.